Want your iPhone to automatically use the speaker for every call? Here's how. This works on iOS 26 and only takes about a minute to set up. I'll show every tap visually on screen. First, open Settings on your iPhone and keep your screen unlocked. Scroll down, then tap Accessibility to open Accessibility settings. Now find and tap Call Audio Routing inside Accessibility, then open it. Select Speaker so every incoming and outgoing call uses the speaker by default. You'll see a blue check confirming your selection and the change saves instantly. Note, Bluetooth headsets or car systems can still override this setting automatically. To test, place a quick call. The call audio should start on the speaker. If you want a one-time speaker only, tap the End Call Audio button during calls. To undo, return to Call Audio Routing and switch back to Automatic anytime. That's it, automatic speaker enabled on iOS 26. Follow for more quick iPhone tips.